Also, Arduino remote. That's one of the next really great things with Arduino. It is remote. Just because it's so simple and it's really cheap and it is so easy to use it. Just an example, this remote control for Arduino, you can get it for a few dollars. $2 or $3 already. I pay this maybe some $4. It's really cheap. And IRreceiver, you can see there, it's so simple to use it. It's used just 3 wires. And it is so simple to connect it. You have just one bus, ground, and one signal output. Also so simple to use it and so cheap. And the code to use it is really simple. Just actually a few rows of code. And you can find my code for this below. It's really excellent thing also. Actually, you can see how it works. When I send signal, I'm going to print out. Now I'm going to press number 1. Also, Arduino Remote is probably one of the greatest things with Arduino actually, because all this stuff together costs just few dollars and it's easy to use it.